If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Welcome to Alokik the Learning Space. Friends, with the help of search engine, we can find very easily what we are looking for in just click of button. It's very important to get the good visibility on search engine. Hence, the company are now more cautious to optimize their website according to search engine rules, which helps to boost their business. Optimizing the website as per search engine rule is nothing but SEO. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the process of improving the visibility of website on organic search engine result pages by incorporating search engine friendly elements into a website. The importance of SEO starts with the desire of companies to gain more traffic for their website. The ranking over search engine matters because users pay more attention to the first 5 searches on Google. Moreover, the user tend to trust Google's refined search result because they consider these searches to be more authentic and specific. Here you can see I have entered my keyword SEO audit service. I am looking for agency who provides this service. For that, I got the below result. You can see this result. The first one you can see it's a AD. AD is nothing but paid ad. It is paid to visit it first. The rest is the free listing. That is organic. That is SEO. We are doing it free of cost. The search engine gives the result of what we are asked for. Means we can specify our search like SEO audit service in Mumbai. Then the search engine will gives you the what we looking for. That is in Mumbai agency will come. Bangalore agency will come. There is a question: how the search engine do this all? Search engine will act on the basis of information provided. When the company builds their website, the designer gives meta tag, that is keyword, description, title, etc. etc. This all is nothing but the company gives his info to the search engine on that basis. Search engine provides the result. I will explain you more in detail about this meta tag later. Next, objective. Just I said, it is to make your website easily findable over the web, to increase the visibility, to get more traffic to the website, to scale up the number of leads from the website. My next segment is search engine commonly used. Very well known: Google, Yahoo, MSN, Bing, etc. etc. Type of SEO techniques. There are 3 types of techniques. It's white hat, grey hat and black hat. In this section we have covered what is SEO, search engines, means which is commonly used, that is Google, Yahoo, MSN and all that, and the last SEO techniques. In my next segment I will tell you about on-page SEO, off-page SEO, SEO tools. To learn more about SEO and other topics on digital marketing, subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space.